to my channel. My name is DEMIYA if you're new here. I'm super excited about today's video because as y'all can see, I did so good on my hair. So yeah, today's video is sponsored by Divaswigs. They sent me over this 16-inch 150% density wig. Yeah, it has camo knots, an upgraded realistic hairline, super fine invisible Swiss lace, and the lace is transparent, which is suitable for all skin tones. And as y'all can see, it's doing what it needs to do. So yeah, like I said, I'm super happy with how my hair turned out. And if you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. All right, so the wig came in this dust bag along with a brush and a cap and a pamphlet with the specs of the wig. So this is the wig right out of the bag. I didn't do anything to it. It came with these curls. So yeah, what I did appreciate about this wig was the lace on it. It was so thin and easy to melt. And like I said, it is transparent. So yeah, it was just easy to blend with my skin. The knots were really small, which made it like almost undetectable, which I appreciate. It is a 13x6 and it came with 4 combs and adjustable straps. And as y'all see, it's like 13x6, but on the sides, it's more like 2 inches. But yeah, whatever. The ends were okay. It did have split ends, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, it got chopped off anyways. So I used a Clairol BW2 powder and Clairol 40 volume developer. And I used 3 scoops of it at first. And I just eyeballed the developer. I wasn't really looking for a specific consistency. I just kept like mixing it until it was smooth. And then I just put it into the sink, and you want to use really hot water for this. So yeah, I just filled up the sink with hot water. I didn't fill it up all the way, but like a third of the way. So yeah, I just kept whisking until everything was like combined properly, and just dunked my wig in the water. And I just kept brushing it out because you want to like spread everything evenly. And I did end up adding 2 more scoops of the powder just because it seemed like it wasn't turning fast enough for me. But I think that's just maybe because it's a bleach bath and the water dilutes it, so it just wasn't as strong. I don't know, it could be the hair as to why I wasn't taking quick enough. It could be the products, but I'm just not sure. But yeah, I just added 2 more scoops. I'm not sure if that did anything, but I just did it to be sure. And as y'all can see, it didn't really turn as much. It's still like a dark brown, but I really want it to be like more chocolatey. So I just let it sit in there, and it was really sitting in a bath for like 30 minutes. But most bleach baths that I see, they just be doing it for like 5 or 10 minutes. So I feel like it was either the wig or the products. I don't know. As y'all can see, it turned a little lighter, and this was probably like after 10 or 15 minutes. So yeah, I just let it process until I felt like it was brown enough, and then I rinsed it out or washed it with this Color Extend blonded shampoo from Redken, and that just tones the brassiness and, you know, helps it to not look so yellow. So I'm just cleaning off my hairline with some alcohol, and I'm using a Q-tip so I can be really precise. Then I'm fitting my wig to my head because yeah, I want to make sure everything is laying properly. And because of my hairline shape, I always have to like bring down some hair so it doesn't come too far onto my forehead, if that makes sense, because it be looking crazy, as y'all can see. And this is just Ghost Bond glue. I'm only doing 1 layer, and I'm just pulling the wig down so I can make sure I put the glue in the right spots. As y'all can see, the hair wasn't really moving how I would want it to. And I think that's just because I didn't rinse all of the conditioner out by mistake, and then I also used BioSilk on top of that. So it was kind of on the stiffer side, but it came together. Okay, so I forgot to say this earlier, but I did customize this a little bit, but for the most part, as y'all saw from the beginning, it was already customized. I just plucked it a little bit, like the tiniest bit, before I blow dried. I plucked it while it was wet, and that was my first time plucking on wet hair, and I see why people like it. It's way easier for the hair to come out when it's wet. So it was definitely given. I just chopped my Barbie doll's hair at first, but you know, it came together. Remind me to buy a cape. Y'all, I'm in love. Like, not only did the color come out exactly how I wanted it to, the hairstyle came out exactly how I wanted it to. My sister helped me out on the cut. It's like everything came out exactly how it was supposed to come out. And yeah, I'm really proud of myself. It's like every time I do it, I just get better and better. So yeah, practice truly makes perfect. I really did such a good job. Like I'm shocked right now. I can't believe it looks this good. I've never tried this color on myself before. I haven't had a bob in forever. Everything is just, it's doing what it needs to do. Y'all should definitely try this hairstyle. Only thing I would say is do not try to cut your hair yourself. Don't try to cut it on a mannequin head, because I promise you, the mannequin head is not the same shape as your head. So once you put it back on your head after cutting it, it's gonna be so choppy. Trust me, I tried it before and I've seen it on other people's videos, like them messing up because they thought they were doing a blunt cut and ended up being choppy. I'll insert some videos of what I mean. But yeah, if you can't get your sister or somebody to do it, friend, go to a hairstylist and have them cut it for you. But other than that, yeah, it should be super easy to try. As y'all saw, the bleach bath was so easy. This hair, it was very dry after I bleached it, but I mean, I bleached it, so hair gets dry. After it was bleached, the ends were just shot, so yeah, it definitely needed to be trimmed. I didn't really get any shedding. The lace was really easy to melt. The knots on this wig were really small, which I appreciate because big knots are so hard to conceal. But yeah, that just made it 10 times easier for me to lay the lace and for everything to blend. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And don't forget to check out Divaswigs. I will have all information for this hair down below. So yeah, just check the description box. Comment down below what y'all think. Give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn in your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye y'all.
Sunshine to my